Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Mohammed Fareed from Government Boys Primary School Tangdar. We are reading English 8th class. Today we have to do thinking about the poem. That is questions answers. The first question is, in the first stanza, the poet wonders about certain things. What are they? इसका आंसर है, in the first stanza the poet wonders about what makes a nation's pillars high and its foundation strong, what makes it strong enough to defy the enemies that surround it from all sides. तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है इसका, what are the foundations of a strong kingdom built on? The foundations of a strong kingdom are built on the greatness and toughness of its people, who can work hard for their nation. It is built on their honesty, courage and truthfulness. Question third one is, what happens to a nation which depends on an army to keep it strong? इसका आंसर है, such a nation goes to dogs one day. Its empire becomes a thing of past. The blood of its soldiers turns its stones to rust and its glory decays. Fourth one question number is, what a nation becomes proud, what does God do? Its answer is, when a nation becomes proud, God diminishes the luster of its crown and turns it into ash with one stroke. पांचवा क्वेश्चन है, do you think that wealth can makes a nation great and strong? क्या समझते हैं कि दौलत किसी कौम को मजबूत और बड़ी बना सकती है, अजीम बना सकती है? इसका जवाब है, no, wealth can't make a nation great and strong. It is only men who can make a nation great and strong. The men who can stand fast for the sake of truth and honor, and who can suffer hardships for their nation, can make their nation strong and great. तो आगे क्वेश्चन है 6, what can the brave do? बहादुर लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? Brave men can work hard for their nation. They work while others sleep. They dare while others fly. They build the pillars of a nation deep and lift them to the sky. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 वन इज, एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग लाइन्स. ये लाइन जो हैं इनको एक्सप्लेन करना है, वजाहत करनी है इनकी. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. तो इसका आंसर है, in these lines the poet wants to say that the men who are brave and courageous build the pillars of a nation deep and lift them to the sky. In other words, such men make the foundations of a nation strong and take it to great हाइट्स ऑफ ग्लोरी। तो प्यारे बच्चों, इस तरह हमारा ये क्वेश्चन आंसर का जो सेशन था ये ख़त्म होता है। शुक्रिया वस्सलाम।